These parts were in there. I have no idea what they are for. They are not included on instructions. They were laying in the box. No idea. It doesn't look like anything's missing anywhere. I decided not to attach the wheels for right now because I don't need them. And I will not use plastic bowls with a pet. Make sure when you are setting it up that you remove the little red caps that were on the end of this grate. Otherwise it won't stay snugly and securely in its little attachments. And make sure you clean it before using it. Otherwise it's like pretty quick and easy to put together.
Who's needy?
Me!
Who's super cute?
Me!
Who's a corgi?
Me!
Who's princess? Definitely me.
Big start.